Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I will be showing you a few tips on how, by improving your website, you can get more exposure, outrun your competition, and of course, get more potential new customers. So, first things first, I have your website over here. And one of the things that I have to recommend, especially here on the homepage, is to add more relevant content. And by content, not just images, but more wording. Adding more wording, including the keywords that you want to be found for, will definitely help you to start ranking on a specific Google searches. You can see that there's not too much information here, but don't get me wrong, it's part of how Google works nowadays. So, for example, if I go to the back end of your website, oh, sorry, go back. You're being found for 121 keywords. This is bringing you roughly 59 visits a month to your website, and you have over 3,600 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites, excuse me, that are mentioning your website and will give you power so it can be found on Google. This will increase your domain rating and URL rating. But keep in mind that not all links are created equal, so you can have thousands and thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keyword that you need to be found for, all these will be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords and see what are you being found for. The branding name, you're ranking number one, so that's perfect. But then I don't see anything to right here. This is it's gonna be one. Keyboard auto repair. There's an average of 50 searches a month. You're on the second page, so you're not getting any traffic into your website for that. Keyboard auto body, 20 searches a month. You're ranking number four for that, but you still don't get that much of a traffic into your website because this key over here is targeting to the gallery. So that's something you might want to take into consideration. Most of these keywords that have a little bit of volume, it's okay if they're targeting to another pages, but it will be more. It will be better if they're targeted to the home page. That way you can engage and try them to submit a contact form or give you a call. And that way you get those leads and turn into customers. Moving on, there's nothing too relevant here. Let's take a look at the second page. Auto paint shops NJ, an average uh, an average volume of 40 searches a month, and you're on the fourth page, so you're not getting anything on that either. Wheel alignment Edison NJ, 10 searches a month, you're on the fifth page. So again, all these keywords that you're seeing here, you should be targeting those for so you can be found at least on the first page of a Google search. But for the purpose of this video, I'm give you an example. If I type auto repair NJ, first of all, I did for both of your locations that I saw here, with touching and keyboard, and you're ranking number one for those two locations. But the thing is that right here, auto body repair, touching, you can see that there's not 0 to 10 value, so there's not enough data to actually see there's at least 10 searches a month. Uh, let's see, keyboard, same thing. The one that has a little more relevance is this covering the whole New Jersey. So you can see that there's 20 searches a month, but this means that it will take a little bit longer to rank for that keyword. So just to give an example, and of course, when I do this search over here, the first thing I'm going to see is the map section. And regardless of your location, you can target the whole New Jersey area and actually be here. And then we have the organic result, which is number one, number two. You got Yelp, which is directory, number three, number four, number five. So just for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search didn't pass this top three and this top three over here. That means that they don't go all the way down and not even consider to go on the second or third page. So you might be missing a lot of opportunities so you can engage with more potential clients. So for the purpose of the video, I went and compared these guys and see why they're ranking number one. So first things first, again, you can see they have a little more content than you do, and it's not as much, but they might be targeting the correct keywords here. For example, auto body repair, Python boy, they're targeting that, collision repair, but still not relevant keywords, but they're targeting for that specific one, and they're showing on number one. If we look on the back end of their website, you can see that they're being, my apologies, let's take a look here. Let's see why they're ranking number one. Okay, so they're being found for over 800, around 875 keywords. They're getting around 253 visits a month to their website, and they have over 1,300 keywords. So you can see that this, regardless of this, you can have, like I said, you can have as many as many backlinks that you have that you want, but if they're not relevant, you can see that this is reflecting just on the URL. That means that it's helping them on the map section in citation. So something to understand there. Let's take a look on the keywords they're being found for. And our body shops NJ is 150 searches a month. They're ranking number one, and for those 150 searches, they're getting 50 straight to their website. You can see straight to the homepage. Body works on cars, not really sure if that's relevant, but same thing, 70 searches a month, and they're getting 24. That means that this action over here, call, appointment, everything is working for them. So as soon as somebody lands in here, they're trying to engage with the customer as much as they can, which should be your same situation here. You got a contact here, but not really a phone number. You don't need to contact us, but that can be, that can be changed and see if another approach can actually work in a better way. But going back here, you can see that auto body repair NJ, 20 searches, they're ranking number one. Best auto body shop in NJ, 50 searches, they're ranking number seven, and you're getting around 2 visits straight to their website. So something you want to consider. I know this is just not this is not the only service that you provide, but just to give you a reference on how this is working and how you can actually take advantage of this volume of searches and see if you can get a part, if you can get some of this traffic driven to your website. If you have any questions, please let us know. I don't want to take too much of your time, like I said. And if you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. But we love to have a deep conversation and see how we can approach into this strategy and see if we can help you out. I hope to hear from you soon and have a great day.